All right, what up YouTube? We're gonna dive deep into these Elrond price predictions. Last week we dropped a video saying that Elrond was gonna rally, looking for some good shorting opportunities. So this is gonna be price predictions versus my shorting strategy, so you guys can see if this one plays out, how well this strategy works, or how well it doesn't. Ready? Let's not get wrecked. So in my previous video, we can see that the price on Elrond was $47.08. Supply was 23 million. Market cap was 1.09 billion. Taking a look today, we can see that they've released roughly another 500,000 coins out in circulation in the last couple of weeks. Price is now at 54.58, giving it a market cap of 1.28 billion. So if we round, just keep things simple, Elrond at $55. If you invested in Elrond today at $55 and the market cap is 1.2 billion, for you to 2x on that investment and for price to hit 110, market cap would need to be 2.5 billion. 10x, $55, 12.5 billion. 20x, $1,100, 25 billion. And for a 100x to hit $5,550, market cap would need to be 125 billion. Now, the next to check out is Lunar Crush. We can see social media statistics over the last week are still on absolute fire. Engagement's up 48%. Social contributions are up 5.3%. Shared links are up almost 14%. Spam volume's up 9.2%. Market cap's up 17%. YouTube volume's up 50%. Market dominance is up 18.4%. Reddit volume's up 10%. Price versus BTC is up 15.3%. So you can see price versus BTC, right? That correlation between trading Elrond EGLD BTC pair versus Elrond USDT pair is where I think the shorting opportunity is going to lie. So again, Elrond has 5 upcoming events. This is what caught my attention last time. But again, the rest of these events don't take place until late December. So the previous events took place on September 30th. So they just ended last week, and this is what's been driving this Elrond rally. Elrond has a lot of exciting upcoming events. And this is where the shorting opportunity should lie. So CoinCodex is calling for EGLD up to $58.98, then down to 41, quite possibly down to 21 before it finds bottom and takes its next rally up, going up to $120 over the next 6 months. 1 year, they're calling back up to 514. Without an absolute hyperbolic adoption of Bitcoin, I don't see us getting there. So right now you guys can see I have an EGLD position. My first entry trade was at $54.20. I have a $350 position, give or take. And what I'm going to be doing is I already have active positions, meaning I have limit orders. So instead of getting liquidated when price hits $63.95, at $63.50, I'm going to add to that position. So you can see right here, I have an add position here at $63.50, and then I have another one at $69.50. So when my position adds at $63.50, what it's going to do is it's going to move my entry price up. My entry price is at $54.20. Well, when I add at $63.95, and if I add another $350, it's going to literally split the difference. So it's going to move my entry price up by almost $5, right? Which will then move my liquidation price up. So my idea is that I can continuously add to this position and build in and scale into it, and then just wait for that big pullback. We're in the middle of an absolute bear market. Show me one asset that's ran up and stayed up there. Even taking a look at bigger layer ones like Matic and Flux, right? They run up, but guess what? They hit a point and they have to retrace. They have to build support. People take profits. Traders gonna trade the asset, and they trade them in correlated markets. And this is the part I didn't understand. So take a look at these two charts right here. Do you see how they look completely different? This is Elrond BTC. So if you would have been trading Elrond BTC over here, the asset would have ran up and made you 93%. Now, if you would have been trading just Elrond against USDT, that run up right there would have only made you 68%. That is a 30% difference between trading the same asset. But Elrond's price against BTC is drastically different than Elrond's price against USDT because both assets are not moving in correlation. So this is where you get a lot of traders trading the different assets, and they call it its relative value. So Elrond's relative value to BTC might be valuable right now, but at some point it's going to hit that peak where it's actually more profitable for traders to actually trade and start shorting that asset. So if we just go based off the 4-hour time frame, that's the only time I'm ever looking for positions. And we take a look at EGLD, what'd it do? It just broke over on the 4-hour time frame. So normally I'd be expecting at least a 30% pullback after you break over the 4-hour time frame, but because Elrond's still hot, it has a lot of upcoming events, it's kind of trending right now and the market's just sucking. Sometimes assets will rally again. So where do I have my entry positions? Right up here, $63.50. So I'm going to add again to that position. I'm going to double my position. So my entry position right now is down here at $54. Well, when I add to it, it's going to bring my entry price up to like $60 or 59 something. So then say it does run up to $54 $4. Well, guess what? When it retraces back down to 60, I'm broke even on the trade. Anything more than that, I'm in the profit. Now, if it rallies up again, what am I going to do? I'm going to add again up here at $69. So if I take a look at the chart, where is that double top? Where is it most likely going to find resistance at? Right here. And if you look at all these big rallies on Elrond, guess what? 25% pullback. Even this small one right here, 15% pullback. What's here? 22% pullback, and then boom, massive rally all the way down 35%. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to scale up into this position. It's already ran up, what, 50 or 60%? So up, down, up, complete your macro 5-leg set, and then I'd be looking for a complete pullback, which would be at the very, very least calling for a retrace down to $61. So if Elrond runs up to 70 bucks, I got at least a 14-15% if it just hits that first one and returns around. But if it goes bearish and Bitcoin crashes and the market collapses or banks go insolvent overseas, I'm sitting in a massive short that I'm probably going to ride all the way back down 35%. But my rule is now, if I get up 20% in the trade, I move my stop loss up 15% into the profit, and if it goes back up and takes me out, I just look for the next trade. So I'm going a little bit better on this one. I'm going to document it. I'm already built into a short at 350. I'm going to add 350, which would give me 700. If it goes up again, I'm going to add another 700, right? My next bet will have to be 700. And then if I have to scale in a fourth time, would be another 1400. So I'm building into short positions, and that's just how I've been trading, and I've been crushing it. So again, if you guys want to learn more about my actual crypto trading strategy, links are down below. If you guys want to learn more about what big layer 1 blockchains I think will be competitors, check out my layer 1 blockchain whiteboard digital course. It's down below in the description. Again, my name's Ryan Mehta. I'll catch you guys in the next one.